Hello guys, we're back again. It's a new week, week 16. Um, it's a Monday morning, 6 a.m. Let's go through the markets and see what's happening and see what opportunities are waiting for us. As you can see, that we're waiting on a trade on gold. Gold is currently in an uptrend, so we're waiting for it to come to this area here, this zone over here, our base. As you can see, this is a QML, left shoulder, break of structure. Now we're waiting for it to come back here. As you can see, it left a gap here. So we're gonna wait for gold opportunities. We had an entry here on Friday, but when we woke up today, we found out that price took out our SL here. We had an SSSR set up over here. Yeah, we had an SSSR or a QMTR over here. So price took us out here by just a few pips and moved in our direction. Price opened with a gap today, so I think that's the reason why. So yeah, guys, another setup. We had an entry here on Friday, so our entry was here when we woke up, found out the price that triggered our entry. So we're currently in profit here. We're going to ride it until maybe this area over here and see what happens. This is an opportunity I missed. I had analyzed this on Sunday and I saw the setup. So I had placed my entry here and I woke up, price is already moving. So I'm gonna leave it and wait for other opportunities. Yeah, otherwise there aren't that much opportunity this week when I'm like checking the markets. There's nothing I'm seeing currently. However, we have this here. We have this opportunity here. Yeah, there's a QML here. So price might come back and push to the upside. As you can see, it failed to trigger us last week by just a few pips. Hopefully this week might come back here and then continue pushing up. So we're going to wait and see what happens. We're going to wait and see what happens. Otherwise, there aren't that much opportunities, guys. There aren't that much opportunities currently. Price is just consolidating a lot. So we're going to wait for this one, GBP AUD. GBP AUD and gold. Now wait for gold. And also another pair I want to show you. It's this one, USD CAD. USD CAD, as you can see in the high time frame with the QML, left shoulder, break of structure, signal that we're now in an uptrend. So our entry might be here. So we're gonna wait for price to come back to this area. As you can see that we have an MPL over here. We have an MPL. So we're gonna wait for price to come here and push to the upside. So here we're targeting just 1 to 2.7. Nothing much, just in and out. Yeah. So those are our setups we'll be looking at this week. USD CAD, gold, and GBP AUD. Yeah. And currently we're in GBP USD. So those are the pairs we're focusing on this week. Hopefully everything plays out according to our plan. But one thing that's guaranteed in the market is losing. So that we are sure of is going to happen. So yeah, till the next day, I'll continue sharing with you guys progress, what's happening. Yeah, so next time. Top of the morning, guys. Hello. It's a Tuesday morning, and we're back again. As you can see, let me show you some progress on my trades that I've been watching. Gold is still consolidating here. Hasn't made a decision, but it looks like it's coming down now. But it has closed the gap it made yesterday. This gap that has closed it, so looks like it's coming down now. This one almost went for, if it hadn't taken us out here, we would have been in deep profits. Let's check the ones we're waiting for. This one is almost at our entry area now, so I'll now put my limit orders. I'll now put my limit orders because now it's near my entry area. And also this is a fake out. Yeah. So we're gonna continue waiting. Here's our pair that we're currently in an open trade, GBP USD. Currently in profit, as you can see, it's retracing now. Still waiting on it and see what's going to play out on it. However, we are waiting for it to touch this zone here. Then we're going to move our stop loss to break even and then wait and see what happens. So yeah, we saw another opportunity here. We saw an opportunity on this pair. As you can see, the price took out this high here, creating a new high. As you can see here, price has been making highs, and we have QML over here, left shoulder, break of structure, and a base over here. So in this base BE, there's confirmation. There's a higher time frame BE giving us a high probability setup. So we're going to wait for this and see if it reacts at our entry area and moves according to our bias, which is a bullish trend. So this is another pair we've added on our watch list. We're still waiting on this one. Still playing around this area, so we're going to wait and see what happens. Still playing in that area. Still playing in that area. So we're going to wait. Here's another pair. We identified potential setup. Potential. As you can see, price is in a bearish trend, making lower lows, over here, and we have a QM over here, left shoulder, base, head, break of structure. So we don't wait for price to come in, then go to the downside. And our TP is around this area over here. Let's see that, yeah. Yeah, guys, that's our setups that we're looking at this week. So we continue updating as to what's happening, progress that's happening. Yeah, I only check my trades only 3 times a day. Now in the morning, then later at 1 p.m., then in the evening, 6 p.m., then I'm done for the day. Otherwise, swing trading is the best. I would recommend it for anyone trading. Uh, it just keeps me away from FOMO and other psychological and emotional traps that most traders get stuck in. So it helps me in calming my emotions. So swing trading is the best. Yeah. So yeah, until the next update. I'll continue updating as the week progresses. Yeah. Hello guys. Um it's Wednesday morning. Yeah, it's Wednesday morning as you can see. It's around 6:15 a.m. in the morning. As you can see that our entry here was triggered on gold. So we're currently in this trade. As you can see, we're currently in that trade. Yeah, we're going to wait for it until this area. So yeah, progress on GPUSD still consolidating. It's moving up and down, up and down, up and down. Hasn't really started moving in any direction. So we're still going to hold it and see what happens. Mm, Other pair USD catch. We're still waiting for it. We're still waiting for it to move. Yeah, so basically those are the pairs. And then there's CHF It's very far from our entry area. And then it's Euro NZD, yes. Euro NZD also very far from our entry, didn't come back. So I doubt this one's gonna come back, but we'll wait and see what happens today. So yeah, guys, that's the progress from our pairs. Nothing much has changed except being triggered on gold. That gold ratio, it's been very volatile this week. So, but we'll wait and see what happens. We'll wait and see what happens. So when it touches this area, we're gonna move our stop loss to break even. So wait for it to touch this area. Then we're going to move our stop loss to break even. Otherwise, it's just holding now and letting the market do what the market uh, will do. There's nothing much we can do now except wait and see what happens. This is the beauty of swing trading. You just take your entries and wait and see what happens and hold. Because at the end of the day, You can only control yourself and your emotions, not the market. The market will always do what the market wants to do. So till the next update, probably tomorrow or Friday. Yeah, maybe Friday. Maybe I'll update you guys on Friday. But if price moves to our TP, the best day, maybe I'll update you then. But yeah, till the next update. Welcome back, guys. It's Thursday evening around 6 p.m. So let me show you the progress and our trades that we've taken with our gold trade. Still consolidating over this area. It's moving sideways, and our GBP USD trade is also consolidating. As you can see, it's moving sideways like crazy. We have new pairs that were triggered. And CHF JPY, yes. Our entry was triggered on this pair. My network is a bit slow. It's a bit slow. It's taking forever to load. Network is taking forever to load. Yes, as you can see, it's so slow, guys. Super slow. Yes, as you can see that our entry was triggered here, so we're in this trade right now. We are holding, but it seems like it's retracing back. As you can see that we have a QM here. And another trade, a new trade that was triggered was Euro USD. We also had our entry triggered here, currently running in profit. It's our entry place. Luckily with this one, I had placed my entries in this week. Yes, I always make sure that I place my entries just above the zone, because sometimes price just touches and then moves, and if there is spread, you will find yourself not being triggered in. So with this one, we are in. Price is currently running in profit. Hopefully it will move in our direction. Also, you can see that we have a QM over here and a base here. So yeah, we'll wait and see what happens on this one too. So those are our new pairs: CHF JPY and Euro USD. and then GBP, USD, and then gold. Those are the pairs that we are currently in. But price seems to be consolidating this week. It's been consolidating the whole week. So we'll wait and see what happens. But this one, it's not promising. It has touched multiple times here. So I think this one's going to hit our stop loss. But we're going to see what happens. Because price has been struggling to push up. As you can see, every time it pushes up, comes back aggressive, pushes up, comes back aggressive. So I doubt this one's gonna go to our TP, but we'll wait and see what happens. Yeah, I'll update you tomorrow, guys, since it's a Friday, my last day of trading for the week. So yeah, I'll let you know tomorrow on the progress of the trades. Hey guys, we're back again. It's Friday morning, 7 a.m. in the morning. So, as you can see, that gold came back into our entry area. Gold has been consolidating the whole week. It's been crazy, guys. It's been crazy. Other PM. GBP USD came back into our entry, almost went into our stop loss. As I said yesterday, that price has tested its area too many times. So it has a high chance of breaking. Yesterday it came back strongly and aggressively and broke this zone, came back to this one. So we'll wait and see what happens. But by the look of things, it looks like next week price might open with another gap. But we'll wait and see what happens. Then we have CHF JPY. CHF JPY, it's still here also, it's still consolidating. Uh, let's look at Euro USD. Euro USD. Euro USD is also still in this area, consolidating too, doing a lot of rejections, still hasn't decided on what it's going to do. So yeah, that's our pairs. That's our pairs. Nothing much has happened really this week. So yeah, it's been a tough month. April has been a tough month. The price action has been, yeah, it's been S. It's been S. So wait and see, guys. We'll wait and see. There's nothing we can really do except wait for the market. The market will decide. You can only control yourself. You can never control the market. Always remember that. Yeah. Think I'll update you during the day or later in the day or in the evening as to what's happening, how we close in our week. Yes. Mm, we're back, guys. It's 1 o'clock, as you can see. Price has started moving from our entry here on Euro USD. When you check other pairs, CHF JPY looks like it wants to come to our stop loss, but we'll continue holding. GBP USD looks like it's pushing now, starting to push to the upside. We'll wait and see. Gold. Gold looks like gold is now pushing to the upside. Looks like it's pushing, but looks like it's out here. But that's it from us this week, guys. And if you like these videos and you're new to the channel, I'm sharing my weekly. I'm sharing my journey in trading. I'm showing you the raw side of trading, the real, uncut, unfiltered side of trading. Yes. So yeah, stay with me in this journey as I show you the real side of trading, the raw, uncut, the losses, the profits, everything, everything. The things that are not shown on social media. You understand? So yeah, if you like that kind of content, please hit us up with the follow, a like, subscribe, share this video with your friends. Yeah. Till next week, guys. Done for week 16. Yeah.